My name is Erica Evers. I was in an automobile accident July 15th, 2010. Vehicle had broadsided me, making an illegal left-hand turn, and in the process of the accident, I'd lost feeling from the waist down, and I was pregnant at the time, about 17 weeks, and when the paramedics removed me from the vehicle, there was a loud pop in my back and I regained feeling in my legs. However, I still had massive pain in my lower back and in my neck. During my pregnancy, I received chiropractic care. And then I ended up having to have surgery when my daughter was 7 months old for cervical fusion. 2 different discs in my neck, C5, C6, and C6, C7. And because of that surgery, I now have 2 plates and 6 screws in my neck. When the accident initially occurred, my first thought was my unborn child. I was told I'd never have children, and this was a blessing to me. And of course, my first thought was, my baby, is my baby going to make it? That night, or the next morning, I jumped on Google and I found John Cooper and read some of the reviews and some of the accomplishments that he has received over the years, and I decided to give him a call. I actually got to speak directly with John when I contacted the firm, and within the hour he had someone at my home gathering my information, location of the accident, the initial injuries that were determined by the emergency room. And from there, we kept in great contact. I hired him immediately. I was very impressed by the professionalism and the confidence in himself and in his practice, as well as his compassion for me as a person, not as a moneymaker. I didn't have to worry about anything, actually. John Cooper took care of everything. If he needed something, he made sure I was contacted. Any information that he needed, if I was not able to obtain it, he and his staff here at Cooper Hurley were actually able to receive that information, which made the experience a whole lot less stressful for me than I expected. What made him effective is that John is personal injury. He only does personal injury law, so you don't have to worry about whether or not he's going to have a criminal case or a family matter come up, and he provides the dedication to his specialty in personal injury cases, and that's what made him exceptionally perfect for my situation. I am absolutely happy with the final result. It, like I said, was very easy, and the stress was non-existent. So when the process was over, I received the phone call and everything was taken care of. All I had to do was sign the paperwork and walk away.